Welcome back to my channel. This is my 8-month lock journey and today's wash day, so I wanted to share my journey, my 8-month lock journey with you guys before I wash my hair in a few. So we have the dryness going on, but okay, before we begin, as most of you know that have been following my journey, this is my 10th set of locks. I took them down at month 3 most of the time because I couldn't stand the frizz, and I started off with braids. Here is a picture of what they look like, and I rocked the braids. It was looking so cute, but it was a little thin, and I watched YouTube and saw a few videos where people were saying that their braids, the pattern never went away. So I sat there and took them out one by one and interlocked each and every one of them except for one in the front somewhere here. And since I've done that, I noticed that my hair started locking faster and swelling. I really hope it doesn't swell any more than this, because that's the whole reason of going small, to avoid all that swelling. But as you can see, some of my locks, it swelled pretty big. This is pretty big. So and some of them are not that big. As you see, this one is small, but they're pretty much locked. Yeah, they are really locked. And I have 186 of these in my head. I have dry scalp now. I don't know, I've never had it. Only when I had a perm I had dandruff and dry scalp. Now I have dry scalp. I'm having locks. I don't know what's going on, but my hair drinks water, my hair drinks oil. Nothing stays in here too long, so I have to hydrate it every day. I make a mixture of olive oil and water. That's what I wake my hair up every morning with. I just spray it with olive oil and water mixture in a spray bottle and bring it back to life. It is very full now. It used to be very thin. Now I have to use 2 hands to put it back. When I used to go to bed, I have 4 braids in the back, 1 on this side and 2 on this side. Now I have 2 on this side, 3 on this side, and 4 in the back, because it swole up. It's gotten thicker, so I can't do those braids anymore. I have to do extra braids. So that's where we are right now. But I just wanted to keep you guys posted on my journey right now. I had to interlock the front because the new growth, being that I palm roll the front, usually I palm roll the front and interlock the back, but the new growth was like this much, and it'll palm roll, but every time I wash my hair, the new growth will be like this much. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna interlock it and then let it grow out a little and start palm rolling again. So that's what I've done, and the interlocking stays very long. It's like I don't have to worry about it turning loose. If you can see, it stays neat pretty long. I like that about the interlocking though. I don't have to worry. But the palm roll is neat. See, palm roll, interlock, palm roll, interlock. See the difference? Yeah. So that's why I do both of the methods. When I interlock, I use the 2 what's it called? I use the 2-point rotation method. I don't do 4, I do 2, and that makes it easier for me to do this. But that's it for this lock journey. I'm still loving it. I've embraced my frizz because I know they're not going anywhere. They're just gonna be here. So I'm embracing my frizz as I go. And now I'm about to go wash my hair. But I'll catch you in the 9-month video. Let's see what this hair does then. But as you can see, it's been swelling. It's been getting nice and puffy. And I'm loving the freedom though. Wash and go. Wash and go style when you go out. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.